Oh, no, 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 no. When the night feels heavy on my soul and the road ahead I cannot see, I hear a whisper soft and slow saying, child, keep walking, trust in me. Every fall has something to teach. Every fear is not the end. There's a fire buried deep in me, waiting for the moment I stand. I will rise, I will believe, even when my hands still shake. Courage lies inside my heart, it's the choice I made. I don't walk this path alone, I am held, I am known. In the dark I find a spark, and I stand in the light of hope. Oh, 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 oh. I've been broken, I've been small, felt the weight of all my doubts, but faith is hearing the distant call when silence is screaming loud. I don't need to know the plan, just the next step forward. With every breath I understand, hope is stronger than my borders. I will rise, I will believe, even when my hands still shake. Courage lives inside my heart, it's the choice I make. I don't walk this path alone, I am held, I am known. In the dark I find a spark, and I stand in the light of hope. Oh, 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 oh. If I fall, I'll rise trying. If I'm lost, I'll keep moving. 'Cause love doesn't wait for perfection, it grows wings in everything. I will rise, I will believe, with a faith I didn't know I had. Courage is my offering, in the good, in the bad. I release what I can't control, place my trust in something whole. Through the storm I find my heart, and I stand, I choose hope. Oh, 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 oh.